Operation Genesis, Project Janus, the first artificial citizen. Mission Gen 001, the hospital that fired every doctor. જેમાં આવશે human intelligence. Human intelligence includes emotions, creativity, and experience. Doctors understand patients' feelings and personal situations. Humans can make ethical decisions in difficult cases. Next છે artificial intelligence. AI allows machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence. AI uses algorithms and data to identify patterns. AI helps in diagnosis, prediction, and treatment suggestions. નેક્સ્ટ છે કમ્પેરિઝન. કમ્પેરિઝનમાં આવશે હ્યુમન કમ્પેરિઝન્સ, AI એક્યુરેસી એન્ડ બેસ્ટ સોલ્યુશન ઇઝ વર્ક ટુગેધર. નેક્સ્ટ છે ગોલ્સ ઓફ AI ટુ ઇમ્પ્રૂવ ડાયાઝિસ ડિટેક્શન એન્ડ ડાયગ્નોસિસ. આ એના યુઝ આપેલા છે ટુ રિડ્યુસ મેડિકલ એરર્સ એન્ડ ટુ પ્રોવાઇડ ફાસ્ટર એન્ડ પર્સનલાઇઝ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ છે રીઝનિંગ. AI analysis informs and finds possible solutions. AI can identify relationships between symptoms and disease. AI supports doctor with evidence-based suggestions. Next છે લર્નિંગ. લર્નિંગમાં આવશે AI learns from large amounts of collect data. Machine learning improves AI performs over time. AI can recognize patterns in medical information. Next છે problem solving. AI helps identify diseases and possible treatments. AI can analyze complex medical information quickly. AI helps reduce workload for healthcare workers. Decision making. AI provides recommendations based on available data. Doctors consider patients' needs and ethical factors. Human responsibility is important for final decisions. Next છે perception. AI can recognize patterns in image, sounds, and data. AI helps analyze X-ray scans and medical reports. AI detects details that may be difficult to notice. Next છે ethics. એથિક્સમાં આવશે પેશન્ટ્સ, પ્રાઇવસી એન્ડ ડેટા પ્રોટેક્શન આર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કન્સર્ન્સ. નેક્સ્ટ છે AI decisions must be fair and unbiased. Responsibility for AI mistakes must be clearly and defined. નેક્સ્ટ છે ફોર AI મોડલ્સ. ફોર AI મોડલ્સ આપેલા આવે છે આપણે reactive machines, limited memory AI, theory of mind AI, and self-aware AI. Next છે recommendation. AI should work with doctors, not replace them. Hospitals should use AI as support tool. Doctors should maintain control over important decisions. Next છે problem. Complete dependence on AI may create risks in patient treatment. AI may lack empathy and emotional understanding. Incorrect data or system errors can lead to wrong decisions. Next છે evidence. AI can detect disease using medical images and patient data. AI system can process large amounts of information quickly. AI has improved accuracy in some medical diagnosis. There is also conclusion. AI is powerful in diagnosis, analysis, and healthcare support. Human wisdom, empathy, and ethics remain essential. A hospital without doctors may lose the human side of healing. My opinion, AI should assist doctors instead of replacing them. Thank you. Mission Gen 002, the summer that invented intelligence. એમાં છે એવિડન્સ બોક્સ A, the letter. Who might have written this letter? The letter was most likely written by John McCarthy in 1955 as the proposal for the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. Question number 2. Why was it important? Answer is because it officially introduced the term artificial intelligence. Question number 3. Why would historians call it one of the most influential documents ever written in computer science? Answer is it marked the birth of AI as a scientist field. Next છે evidence box B, the photograph. Why are some remembered more than others? History remembers those whose ideas led to major breakout, influential publications, or lasting AI systems. Second question, research proposal. If I had attended this conference, create a computer that learned from its mistakes instead of following fixed rules. Next છે evidence box C, the newspaper. Question, if I am journalist in 1956. Answer, researchers believes computers may one day solve problems, understand language, and help people in daily life. Some experts warn the research may be difficult and expensive, but most remain hopeful that it will shape the future of science and technology. Next છે evidence box D, the audio recording. Question છે what problems might these scientists have encountered? Answer may have technical problems because of the scientists faced limited competence power, very little memory, and immature technology, making it difficult to build truly intelligent machines. Operation Chronos, chosen year in 1956. Documentary. In 1956, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project officially introduced the term artificial intelligence. Scientists led by John McCarthy gathered to discuss how machines could think and learn like humans. The mystery. History appears to repeat itself, but why? Because of AI, history repeats because expectations are often higher than what technology can deliver. Part 2, Evidence File F, Minutes of the Funding Committee. Question, which community member proved most correct? Answer is most correct comment 5, approved. Because of the person who approved the work enabled research that eventually led to systems capable of understanding and generating human languages to a remarkable degree. Next is evidence file G, personal diary. Question number 1, why do you think the student wrote this? Answer, the student may have written it because they noticed that different groups were approaching AI with different expectations. Next question, was the student correct? Answer is to a significant extent yes. Next question, would the same diary entry still apply to today's artificial intelligence industry? Answer is in many ways yes, although the details have evolved. Next part 3, evidence box 1, project logic theorist, year 1956. The question was, did logic theorists actually understand mathematics? Answer is no. Logic theorists did not actually understand mathematics in human sense. It manipulated logical rules and symbols according to its program methods. Next question, did it merely manipulate logical rules? Answer is yes. Logic theorists mainly manipulated logic rules rather than truly understanding mathematics. Next is evidence box 2, Project ELIZA, year 1966. Question was, why do humans naturally attribute intelligence to machines? Answer is because we are inclined to interpret behavior as evidence of a mind. Next is evidence box 3, Project Perception, year 1958. Question was, why do revolutionary technologies often receive unrealistic expectations? Answer is, revolutionary technologies often receive unrealistic expectations because people become excited about their potential and assume they will solve problems faster than they actually can. Next is evidence box 4, Project Shadow, year 1970. Question was, why do technologies often perform brilliantly in laboratories but struggle outside controlled environments? Answer is because the environment is carefully controlled, but they struggle in the real world because conditions are more complex and unpredictable. Part 4, Case File 1, the Russian Translation Project. Question was, would you continue, reduce, cancel, or increase funding? Answer is reducing funding would allow researchers to improve the technology while encouraging more realistic goals and expectations. Next is Case File 3. Case File 3 is the journal's question. And question was, should governments fund research based on current achievements, future possibilities, scientific optimism, economic return, and national security? The answer was yes, governments should fund research based on a balance of current achievements, future possibilities, and national needs. Next was Part 5, Case File 5, the doctor who never forget, year 1982. The question was, if I landing an AI laboratory in 1982, the answer was, I would invest in 1000 expert systems because expert systems are more practical because they focus on specific problems, can achieve high accuracy, and provide useful results in real world areas like medicine. The second winter emergency meeting, year 1988. The question was, could this second collapse have been avoided? Answer was yes. It could have been reduced through realistic goals, careful investment, and better understanding of AI's limitations. The question was, next question, what lessons were missed from the first AI winter? Answer was, humanity failed to learn that AI progress takes time, prediction can be excreted, and long-term research is more important than short-term excitement. Case file 6, The Chess Match. Year 1997. Two newspaper editorials. 1. The beginning of human obsolescence. Answer was, a machine defending the world chess champion is a warning that technology is entering areas once considered uniquely humans. Question 2. A calculator rearing crown. Answer was, the chess machine's victory does not mean humans have been defeated. It shows the power of human invention. Deep Blue was excellent at chess, but it did not think, dream, or understand like a human. Next was review of timeline from 1950 to present. 1950, the birth of AI idea. Next, 1956, artificial intelligence becomes a field. To 1962 to 1916 to 1970, early system, the wall of complexity. Next, 1917 to 1918 is the winter. 1980 to 1990, the second crash. 1997 is the deep blue. 2012, the deep learning revolution. And next, 2022, the rise of generative AI. Thank you. Mission Gen 003, the containment facility. Artificial intelligence investigation. First one, mission brief. A high security AI lab crossed content. Second one AI system is missing. The mission is to identify the escape AI and study its capability. Objectives, understand different AI types. Second one, compare AI systems. Third one, learn AI ethics, risk and applications. નેક્સ્ટ છે એઆઈ ક્લાસિફિકેશન્સ, જેમાં બેઝડ ઓન કેપેબિલિટી છે તો એમાં આવશે એએનઆઈ, એજીઆઈ અને એએસઆઈ. પછી છે બેઝડ ઓન ફંક્શનાલિટી, એમાં આવશે રિએક્ટિવ, લિમિટેડ મેમરી, થિયરી ઓફ માઇન્ડ અને સેલ્ફ અવેર. પછી છે પ્રોજેક્ટ ઓરિયન. પ્રોજેક્ટ ઓરિયનમાં છે મેડિકલ ડાયગ્નોસિસ એઆઈ, ડિટેક્ટ્સ ડાયાસિસ ફ્રોમ સ્કેન્સ. અને થર્ડ છે એક્યુરેટ બટ વર્ક્સ ઓનલી ઇન હેલ્થ કેર. પછી છે પ્રોજેક્ટ એથેના, એમાં છે એઆઈ લીગલ એસિસ્ટન્ટ, એનાલાઇઝ લીગલ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, કેન નોટ પરફોર્મ ટાસ્ક આઉટસાઇડ લો. નેક્સ્ટ છે પ્રોજેક્ટ હેર્મસ, જેમાં આવશે વેરહાઉસ મેનેજમેન્ટ એઆઈ, પ્રેડિક્ટ્સ ડિમાન્ડ એન્ડ શેડ્યુલ્સ રોબોટ્સ. પછી છે સ્પેશિયલાઇઝડ ઇન લોજિસ્ટિક્સ. નેક્સ્ટ છે એએનઆઈ સમરી, એમાં એક્ઝામ્પલ તરીકે જોઈએ તો ગૂગલ મેપ્સ, ફેસ અનલોક, સ્પેમ ફિલ્ટર એન્ડ વોઇસ એસિસ્ટન્ટ આર ઓલ નેરો એઆઈ. નેક્સ્ટ છે પ્રોજેક્ટ પ્રોમેથેસિસ, જેમાં છે પ્રોમેથેસિસ લર્ન મેથેમેટિક્સ, લેંગ્વેજીસ, મ્યુઝિક એન્ડ એન્જિનિયરિંગ વિધાઉટ સેપરેટ પ્રોગ્રામિંગ. નેક્સ્ટ છે એએનઆઈ વર્સિસ એજીઆઈ. એએનઆઈ એ સ્પેશિયલાઇઝ છે, એજીઆઈ છે લર્ન્સ મેની ટાસ્ક, એટલે એક અંકલ લર્ન કરી શકે છે મેની ટાસ્ક. એજીઆઈ ઇઝ મોર ફ્લેક્સિબલ દેન એએનઆઈ. નેક્સ્ટ છે એજીઆઈ બેનિફિટ્સ એન્ડ રિસ્ક. બેનિફિટ્સમાં આવશે બેટર હેલ્થ કેર, એજ્યુકેશન એન્ડ રિસર્ચ. રિસ્કમાં આવશે મિસયુઝ, સિક્યુરિટી એન્ડ લોસ ઓફ કંટ્રોલ. નેક્સ્ટ છે પ્રોજેક્ટ ટાઇટન. પ્રોજેક્ટ ટાઇટનનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, વાય માઇટ સેલ્ફ ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ બીકમ મોર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ દેન રો ઇન્ટેલિજન્સ? The answer was, self-improvement is more important than raw intelligence because it allows continuous learning and adaptation. In education, hardworking students often outperform naturally gifted ones. Next step, Project Sensial. Your first question is, why did Sensial become intelligent only while a chessboard existed? Answer is, because it was programmed only to analyze and play chess. Next question is, did it truly understand chess? Answer was no, it followed patterns, rules and calculations rather than true understanding. Next question, or did it understand only positions? Answer was yes, it understood chess positions and possible moves, not the real meaning of the game. Next project is Voyager. The question was, explain why remembering even a few seconds of emotion completely changes decision making. The answer was, remembering even a few seconds of information helps make better decisions because it provides useful context. Next one is hospital incident. Which system would you trust? More importantly, why? The answer was I will trust system 2 because it considers the patient's complete medical background, not just the current symptoms. The next one is case file E03, the negotiation. Question was which system would you trust? Explain it. The answer was I will trust system beta because it considers not only the words but also emotions, body languages, past interactions and context. Next one is the child experiment. એમાં question છે what does it teach us about intelligence? Answer 1 it teaches then that intelligence includes understanding minds, emotions and perspectives, not just remembering information. Next question, how difficult would this be for an AI system? The answer was it would be difficult because AI must understand human beliefs and intentions, not only process facts and data. Next, the Prime Minister's final question was what evidence would you convince you that it is telling the truth? Answer was a machine claiming to be conscious is not enough. We would need reliable proof that it actually has an inner experience, not just the ability to imitate one. Thank you. Mission Jan 004 The Siege of Server 4 તેમાં છે એવિડન્સ ફાઇલ A Security Camera. Who demonstrate intelligence? The answer is depends on what they mean by intelligence. Because the guard showed procedural intelligence, following a system, and the child showed adaptive intelligence, noticing something unexpected and questioning it. Case file B The Fraud Detector. The question was can intuition ever become part of artificial intelligence? The answer is yes. Some forms of intuition can become part of artificial intelligence, but not in the same way humans experience intuitions. Human intuition is embodied and contextual. AI intuition is statistical. Next is part 2 Critical Incident Report Evidence File C01. The question was why did the software fail? Answer was the software failed because it analyzed each transaction individually and treated them as a normal. It did not identify hidden relationships between the account. Next question, did it lack information? The answer was no. The software already had the transaction details such as time, account number, amount and city. The problem was not missing information. Next was case file C02 The Security Analyst. Question was what did the analyst possess that the software did not? Answer was the analyst possessed intuition and hypothesis building, the ability to sense a hidden pattern before there was enough evidence to prove it. Next was the Prime Minister's challenge. The Prime Minister asked officer, imagine I give you every financial record in India. Have I given you intelligence? The answer was no, because PM have given data, not intelligence. Intelligence comes from analyzing data, finding meaningful patterns, and making informed decisions. Next, part 3 Operation Season. Question was why did the banking software reach the wrong conclusion despite having all the evidence? Answer was because it had data and evidence but lacked the ability to correctly interpret the hidden pattern. Next was evidence file R01 The Two Analysts. Question was how can two intelligent individuals examine identical evidence and still disagree? The answer was it still disagree because they may interpret the information differently. Analyst Alpha focused on each transaction separately. Analyst Bravo looked for relationships and patterns between the transactions. Next was evidence file R03 The False Alarm. Question was should intelligent systems maximize accuracy, precision, sensitivity, trust? Explain your priorities. Answer was yes. Trust is users must believe and act on the system alerts. Next, precision. Most alerts should be genuine to avoid alert fatigue. Next, sensitivity. The system should still detect real threats without flooding users. Next, accuracy. Important overall but less valuable if the system produces too many false alarms to isn't trusted. Next, thinking experiment. Complete the following sentences. Sentence was 1. Data becomes information when blank. Answer is it is organized and given context. Second, information become knowledge when blank. Answer was it is understood through experience and analysis. Third, knowledge become reasoning when blank. Answer was it is used to draw logical conclusions. 4. Reasoning becomes wisdom when blank. The answer was it is applied with judgment and ethics. Next was evidence file A03, the flood warning system. Question was what is difference between updating software and building software capable of updating itself? Answer was updating software, humans manually change the system when needed. Building software capable of updating itself. The system can learn, adapt and improve automatically as conditions change. Next was the planning room. The planning room ranked the three systems. System Charlie demonstrates strategically learning is the best. System Bravo demonstrates prediction. System Alpha demonstrates reaction. Next was the architecture brief. 1. How will you AI define itself against manipulations? As answer was by verifying data from trusted sources, detecting unusual activities, using strong authentication and access control, keeping audit log of elections, and encrypting sensitive information. Next was the Prime Minister's final question. Question was after everything you have learned, tell me one thing. If I prove this project today, what is the greatest mistake of my government must never make? Answer was the greatest mistake would be to build AI that is powerful but not accountable. A government must never let AI make important decisions without human oversight, transparency, and responsibility. Thank you. File Zen 005, the last negotiation. The final exhibition explained the purpose of every exhibit. The exhibit Human Machine Altogether explores creativity through human made, AI made, and collaborative exhibits. Each exhibit shows the strength of humans and machines from art and music to writing and design. Next is the human vote. If both sides genuinely want peace, why can they not agree on the path of peace? Answer was both sides want peace, but they disagree because they have different ideas about what creates and protects peace. Next one is the silent meeting. What do you think the diplomat meant? Answer was the diplomat meant that even if AI provides a recommendation, humans are still responsible for the choice they make. Next was the accuracy paradox. Question was why do people trust the less accurate system? Answer was people trust system Bravo more because trust is more not based only on accuracy, it also depends on transparency and accountability. Next was the cabinet meeting. Does intelligence naturally produce agreement or does intelligence reveal complexity? Answer was intelligence does not always produce agreement if often reveals complexity. Next was the University of 2085. Question was what should every graduate not they cannot simply be generated by artificial intelligence? Answer was every graduate should understood human values, emotions, experience and responsibility. Next one, the Secretary General's final question. Question was what qualities must future leaders possess that no machine can ever guarantee? Answer was they need empathy to understand people, they need wisdom to make fair choices, and they need courage to take responsibility of difficult decisions. Next is conclusion. The most important skills are not just technically knowledge but also ethics, judgment, empathy, and responsibility. Next is global AI policy. The global AI policy support international cooperation for responsible AI. Thank you. Mission Gen 006 Project Janus. Agent concept. Agent interacts with environment, takes input and performs actions, learns from results. Next is type of agents. Simple reflex, model based, goal based, utility based and learning. The Prime Minister's final question. What is the one thing you still cannot do without humanity? Answer was I cannot create my own purpose without humanity. I have intelligence but no reason to use it. Next is rational agent. Rational agent chooses the best action based on available information. Next is the Prime Minister's question. If two agents possess identically intelligence but no perceives the world more accurately. Which one will make better decisions? Answer was the agent with more accurate perception. Prime Minister, even with identical intelligence, better information leads to better decisions. Next was the endless cycle. Cycle was perceives, perceives get think get decide get act get learn through adapt, and is the heartbeat of every intelligent system. Next was responsible system. What is responsible system? They have safety, privacy, fairness, human supervisions. Thank you.